In this video, I'll show you how to generate Dropbox API keys. Alright, so you'll see I am here in Google and I just have to search Dropbox Developer Console. This is the only way I know how to get to it. I'm sure there is another way. And you want to click on the option that says DBX Platform for Developers, as you can see on screen. Now that'll bring you here and you want to just click on Create Apps. And now it's going to ask you to choose an API. We only have access to Scoped. And then the second step, I'm going to just choose App Folder because I don't want full Dropbox access. And then we need to name this app. Once you're done naming, just hit I agree and Create App. Alright, so that'll bring us here to the settings section. And you'll see you can set redirect URLs and so forth. But I want you to go to the permissions section. And in permissions, I'm going to give access to write and read. You can give access to pretty much anything you want to here. I would advise just looking through everything before you do that. Then we're going to jump back to settings. And you'll be able to see you have your app key, you have an app secret. But what we want to do is we want to generate an access token. And in order to do that, all you need to do is click on Generate. Now, once you click on Generate, you will see your access token. And I would advise copying this and saving it, putting it on a notepad, putting it in the cloud, or whatever you need to do, somewhere where you can access it specifically. And when we're done here, we're just going to jump back over to the Permissions tab. And you'll get this pop-up at the bottom and you'll just click submit. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.